So hello, I'm David O'Connell. I'm the CEO of dBD Communications. The company's been running for about 23 years now. We predominantly look at solutionizing problems within the communication space. So the reason we was at this show is because we've got a very active client base now in America. We're in probably over 100 airports, and we provide wireless communication systems where in the past where they've used wired, we've now converted them to wireless, and they're using it for pushback, de-icing, repositioning, towing, all that sort of bits and pieces. So we've predominantly brought our systems that will provide communications for de-icing and systems that will provide communications for pushback, whether they're for a single headset user or for multiple people around the aircraft, where we can actually link up the wing walkers and provide communications between both the tug driver and the wing walkers, ensuring that they've got seamless communications and safety as always comes first. The advantages of wireless are it removes people out of the danger zones around the aircraft and puts them in a safer place. By creating wireless connectivity, you can also improve efficiency around the ramp. Our systems are all designed to work 24 hours before they need recharging. So you've got the real confidence that you can take a system out and work with it for the whole period of your shift. The second thing we use Bluetooth connectivity. The Bluetooth, with the high power that we use, the Bluetooth has got a range of 150 meters so that you can remain connected, and it's less susceptible to interference, unlike other communication systems that are available at the moment. So we've had a phenomenal amount of positive leads that have come through, and we've seen a great footfall at this show over the last 3 days. Continuing our dialogue and meet up with our existing clients, you know, we've had a big announcement just prior to this show. PrimeFlight have selected us for all of their air stations across the USA and Canada. And then we've got new inquiries coming in from airlines and from other ground handling agents that are really keen to embrace in our wireless technology. A wireless solution really removes the safety concerns that people have around the aircraft, and you've got that safety control that could be put in place.